Привет, я Mike Butcher. I'm Mike Butcher with TechCrunch, and we're going to run through some of the companies here at the Pavilion put on by Skolkovo Foundation, which is an organization which promotes Russian startups. Now, here we have Choister. Now, tell us about Choister, sir. You're very colorfully dressed.
Yes.
What's it all about?
So Choister is a platform to find educational programs online. Not necessarily online courses, but also offline programs for which is...
So this is a hot subject right now. There's lots of online learning and education startups. How are you doing it differently? What's your app?
Well, technically we just mean all the data from all the universities' websites and all the Coursera websites. Oh my God.
Yeah, keep going.
And then we give you explicit search on that. So you can choose, I want a 4-year program, but I want it to be evenings and online and cost under 50K.
Okay, have you got a demonstration of the app there? What's it look like?
Yes.
Give us a quick look. So this is it?
Yeah, it's look like if you are looking for JavaScript course online, you can easily type it and get the results. You can choose timing, cost, program type, how many miles to go to this test required.
Lots and lots of options for learning online courses. Like a kayak for education. Now, I'm going to give you a hat back. Now, tell me, how are you going to compete against all the other online courses, portals out there?
Well, there are not that many of them, actually. We just do it right. We get all the data, because everybody's, just want to do a paid search. And we're just going to collect the data, which is going to be really clear, and then we combine all the programs that are different in other websites,
Now, I was kidding earlier about the Russian thing. You guys are based in San Francisco, aren't you?
We're based both in San Francisco and in Moscow. We do
Moscow, marvelous.
Moscow.
Your developers are in Moscow? Fantastic, and they're very good developers they are too. Well, thank you very much, Choister. See you guys later. Enjoy. Now we're going to come over here to Fitting Reality. Sorry, excuse me, can I interrupt? Hello, now. Inga from Fitting Reality, tell us all it's all about.
Oh, we do virtual fitting for e-commerce websites. It works like that. We put a special button on the product page. And once that's done, anybody can try on clothes online, just uploading their pictures. It's like that. It's different angles, different poses, and it works for like 5 minutes, and that could be done.
And this, let me just move over here. And this is done via some algorithm you have here.
A special algorithm, and we produce 3D items, and then we build a special 3D mannequin of a person, but it's hidden there. On a picture you don't see it. And then we plus it all together.
One of the problems with something like that, this is getting the lady to upload all of their measurements. Is that easy to do?
Oh, they don't need to upload their measurements. We do it all automatically.
Or via looking at the photograph?
Right.
Right. And tell us about your company. Where are you based? Where are you working?
Our R&D team is in Moscow, but our sales office is here in the US. And we want to attract American customers, American e-commerce websites. And we have a version for mobile, and even for Google Glass. We have a version even for Google Glass, and it works like you put your glass on,
yeah,
and then you point it to the dress,
yeah,
to the barcode of a dress, and glasses scan this barcode. And once it's done, you see yourself, your picture of yourself in this.
Fantastic.
Dress.
So literally, people could be walking around shops and they'd have a Google Glass on and look at the picture of the dress, and then they'll see themselves fitting the dress.
Right, and so you can save your time and don't try on things that don't suit you.
How about walking? So the future is walking into a store and just scanning the entire store.
Right.
Amazing. Fantastic. So fittingreality.com. Check it out. Thank you very much there, Inga. And next up, we're going to go see Apicode. So Apicode, tell us what it's all about, sir. Dennis.
Yes, we create a solution for mobile developers that make it possible for one C# developer make a great application for iOS, Android, Windows 8, and Windows Phone. The solution reduced price for 5 times. And
so you guys just launched. When did you launch?
This fall we start sales.
This fall, right.
Yeah.
And so what's the main advantage of this?
Makes
Makes it easier.
It's easy to developers to create write once and use everywhere.
Right once, use everywhere. Thank you very much. App a code. Now, moving swiftly on. Now, what have we got here?
Hi guys, we do the 3D models.
Perhaps if you could get out of the way here, sir. We're just going to tell us about 3D models. That sounds like something I'd be interested in. Now, tell us all about it.
So we do 360-degree views of all kind of objects by only taking photos around the objects, uploading them on our website, and you're able to get 360-degree view like this. Only in a few minutes and pay $1 for this. The beauty of it, it's not only stitching photos, it also processes the background, stabilize the object. So when the object moves, when rotates, the algorithm stabilize it. Yeah, you just press here and rotate like this. Yeah, so it could be anything. It's for e-commerce platforms, mom and pop shops, and anything like that. So
3D bin.
3D bin, yes. Please check out our website, 3dbin.com. And
What's the prime offering to so it's for e-commerce partners?
so we actually license our service for them, so they can download our plugin and use our service the whole year for basically almost for free.
Okay, learning how to pitch. Thank you very much then, darling.
Thank you.
Right, over here we've got Abby. Hello, sorry, can I interrupt? We'll just briefly interrupt for 1 second. Tell us what Abby is about.
Abby Language Services is the company that provides you with language technology and services. So any company, especially here, all of the startups, they need to think global, and we can help you get there. So our company is worldwide. We're everywhere, and we can help you get there as well.
And so who are the principal users of these kinds of services?
Anybody, like really, from small company to the end user, the regular person who needs to do a translation, to large corporations that need to translate entire content and their websites and everything else.
Who would be your main competitors?
They're also our friends, so I can't really name them.
Name one.
Oh. Logros, let's say in Russia, Logros, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, brilliant. Thank you very much for Abby Group. Okay, next up we've got, let's have a look at Penxy.
Right.
Penxy, now tell us what Penxy is about.
Right. So basically, Penxy turns a mobile.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, thanks. Penxy turns a mobile phone into a presentation control device. So basically, you can change your slide on your mobile phone, and it changes on the projector right away.
So you change it on the mobile, and it changes on the slide.
Right.
Now,
Right.
why is this a business?
The business it is because I haven't told you the coolest feature yet.
Go ahead.
While you deliver your presentation, Penxy captures your voice, and by the time you're done with your presentation, you have your slides and voice synchronized. And you can share it with people right away on social media, on Twitter and Facebook, so you can reach more audience using Penxy without, having to set up all the camera and tripods and microphones. So you remove all the complex setup, you just use your mobile phone, and you reach more people.
Oh, I see. So because it synchronizes the whole thing.
Exactly.
That's answering a real problem because instead of having to video and everything, you do it live via the app.
Exactly. You just grab your phone out of your pocket, you put your presentation on it, you deliver it right away, and you have more people having access to your idea, to your presentation, to your knowledge, or to
Because
your
it's all synchronized with the slides.
Exactly.
And so what are you going to do? Charge for this, or how are you going to make money out of
Yeah,
it?
we have well, for the moment it's free, but we plan to introduce a subscription model. The more you use, the heavier user you are, the more you have to pay.
So it's